Guys, your Photon LED therapy. I literally just unboxed this. I got it this week. I finally got it from Amazon. I ordered it on Amazon. I ordered this because it wasn't as expensive as all the other ones that are like $2,000, $3,000, and this one was not. I'm not getting anything to say that or do anything. It's not a sponsored, you know, it's like this is like legit, like I'm figuring this out. See, you guys look. I'm so excited about this because when I did the video with Joanna Vargas and then I went and saw Shani Darden, they both were like, it's all about the LED light, LED light, LED light, LED light. So I bought it. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to show you guys. Look, so the inside is like this like grid and numbers, and you put this on like this. And then you can also, this part is for your neck. Oh my God, it's so amazing. It's crazy. Isn't it crazy? Okay, I'm gonna scare everybody in this house. So what I thought I would do is doing intros because I just got it. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna let you know. It's supposed to help with fine lines and wrinkles. It's supposed to clear your skin of acne. The different lights do different things for different parts of your body. So like, I'm just gonna read this. It's whatever your skin issues. So if a red light is for stimulate skin cells so that we can get a firmer and smoother, so I'll be doing that. The blue light is good for curing acne and improving sensitive skin. The green light is for smoothing wrinkles, fine lines, and wounds. Purple light is for relaxing, and lymph metabolism, improving it. Cyan light is for gentle acne. Yellow light is for melanin production, and the white light is for relaxing as well. So this is from projectebeauty.com. So I got this one for $198 on Amazon. I'm going to, for the next week, wear it, and then we'll decide whether we love it or we like it or what, okay? But I asked the professionals in the arena of skin and they were like, it's gonna be great. Don't worry, it's gonna be great. Apparently the price doesn't matter, I'm just saying. Let's do this.
I am not your mother.
Then we could work on contouring just this area. So I like to take a little contour here, a little here, and then maybe we'll contour the nose as well. Let's get to it. Simon, get out! Get out, Simon! Okay. Simon loves this, and guess what? So do I. So I didn't have to spend a lot of money to get one of these LED masks. And what I noticed mostly about my skin, tighter pores and a turnover. I had all this scarring from acne and it is going away. So it totally worked for me and I didn't break the bank and I'm really in love with this product. Just FYI everybody, Project E Beauty. Found it on Amazon, baby. Thanks, Project E.